Times now has accessed details of an intel note that reveals the Pakistan hand in the Patna Gandhi Maidan serial blast.
Well, the note clearly says that it was Riaz Bhatkal, who is now in a safe house in Karachi, who planned the entire serial attack. The money was routed through Hawala channels and that Riaz received funds from the ISI.
Well, we've got Prema now joining us with more details on this Times Now exclusive. Prema, just take us through the latest coming in. This is exclusive details on the note that has been accessed by Times Now. Just break down the details for us. There's a direct hand linking Pakistan with the blast that we got to see in Patna.
Well, exactly. In fact, we have accessed the intel note on the Patna blast, and the intel note very clearly says that Pakistan's link to the Patna blast is undeniable. In fact, the intel note goes on to say that it is in fact Riaz Bhatkal who was the main plotter of the Patna blast, and he is the one who also plotted the Gaya blast. And it goes on to say that Riaz Bhatkal is currently staying in an ISI safe house in Karachi, and that also has been corroborated by Yasin Bhatkal during the course of his interrogation. In fact, we have exclusive details regarding the funding, regarding the training, regarding the modus operandi that was used in the Patna blast. As far as the funding is concerned, what our sources have been telling us is that it is Pakistan's ISI which had funded the Patna blast, and it was ISI which tried to route the money through Hawala channels and also through Western Union money transfer, and the money went directly from Riaz Bhatkal to Tehseen Akhtar, who is Yasin Bhatkal's close aide, and from there it went on to Haider. Haider is the person who was the training in charge of all the 6 men involved, and from there it went down to the 6 men who planted the 18 IEDs. Now we also have exclusive details regarding the training. What we have been told is Yasin Bhatkal, during the course of his interrogation, he has gone on to reveal that Tehseen Akhtar had stayed with him in Pokhara in Nepal 6 months prior to his arrest, and post that Yasin Bhatkal got arrested, but Tehseen Akhtar went to Ranchi for a task. Now Yasin Bhatkal has gone on to tell his interrogators that he doesn't know what this task was, but this task was given by Riaz Bhatkal to Tehseen Akhtar, and therefore Tehseen Akhtar left Yasin Bhatkal and he moved from Pokhara, where he used to stay with Yasin Bhatkal, to Ranchi. And now we are getting to know that this task was nothing but the Patna blast. And then we also have exclusive details regarding the training, and it seems Haider and Tehseen Akhtar, these were the 2 people who trained the 6 terrorists.